this detailed workshop-style video, a full disassembly, cleaning, inspection, and reassembly process of a customized toy airsoft pistol begins on a bright white workspace filled with tools, components, BB pellets, and the original AR sport gun packaging. The featured model, OPS MRP, KL-45, stands out with its aggressive custom graphics, spiderweb style patterns, skull-inspired details, and tactical appearance. The camera captures every movement from close-up and high-angle perspectives, allowing viewers to observe the intricate internal structure of the toy pistol and the careful handling of each mechanical component. The video starts with a visual inspection of the airsoft pistol after repeated feeding issues caused by defective plastic BB pellets becoming stuck inside the barrel and internal loading mechanism. The workspace is prepared with precision screwdrivers, spring components, cleaning tools, pellet containers, and a molded white tray used to organize every part during the process. The lighting clearly highlights the textures of the pistol frame, metallic barrel assembly, springs, screws, and custom decorative elements on the gun body. The first stage focuses on the careful disassembly of the toy airsoft pistol. Using a thin precision screwdriver, screws are slowly removed from the frame while the internal structure is exposed piece by piece. The slide, spring assembly, trigger mechanism, and inner barrel are separated and positioned methodically on the work surface to avoid losing small components. Each step is performed carefully to reduce the risk of damaging fragile plastic parts or misaligning the internal mechanism. As the pistol is opened, the cause of the malfunction becomes visible. Several plastic BB pellets had become jammed inside the feeding path and barrel channel. Some of the pellets appear slightly oversized, unevenly molded, or defective, which prevented smooth movement through the barrel. The video demonstrates how poor quality BB ammunition can affect toy airsoft mechanisms and create feeding problems, spring tension issues, and inconsistent firing behavior. A major part of the video is dedicated to cleaning and inspecting the internal barrel assembly. The narrow tube is examined carefully while debris and damaged pellets are removed. Springs and internal guide rails are checked for proper alignment and movement. The camera closely follows the process of extracting stuck pellets and cleaning the channel to restore smooth operation. An additional step shown in the video involves sorting and testing BB pellets using the barrel itself as a size filter. Instead of loading random pellets directly into the pistol, each BB is checked manually through the barrel opening to identify oversized or defective plastic pellets before use. This process helps prevent future jams and improves reliability during operation. Pellets that move smoothly through the barrel are separated from defective or irregular ones. Larger or misshapen BBs are removed from the usable batch to reduce the chance of damaging the feeding system or causing another blockage. The pellet sorting process becomes one of the key technical elements of the video. Containers filled with metallic silver BB pellets are shown beside the workspace, while the user carefully compares sizes and movement through the barrel tube. This practical demonstration highlights how even small manufacturing defects in toy ammunition can affect the performance of spring-powered or airsoft-style toy pistols. The process also serves as a useful maintenance technique for hobbyists who frequently experience jamming issues with inexpensive BB pellets. Throughout the video, various tools and accessories remain visible on the desk, including colorful precision screwdrivers, a black carrying case, small mechanical parts, springs, cleaning rods, and decorative objects placed around the workspace. The combination of technical repair work and organized presentation creates a hobbyist workshop atmosphere focused on patience, precision, and mechanical curiosity. After cleaning and sorting the ammunition, the reassembly process begins. The inner barrel is reinstalled into the frame, followed by the spring system, trigger mechanism, and slide assembly. Every component is aligned carefully to ensure smooth mechanical operation. The video emphasizes the importance of proper positioning during reassembly, especially when working with small plastic airsoft mechanisms that can easily become misaligned if assembled incorrectly. The camera captures detailed close-ups of the hands positioning springs, inserting small rods, reconnecting frame components, and tightening screws back into place. The white workspace and molded tray help keep all pieces organized during the rebuilding stage. The original AR sport gun packaging remains visible in the background, reinforcing the product-focused workshop style of the video. As the assembly nears completion, the pistol begins to resemble its original form again. The custom graphics and tactical styling become fully visible once the frame is secured and the mechanism is closed. Final mechanical checks are performed to confirm that the slide moves correctly, the spring tension feels normal, and the barrel channel remains clear after cleaning. The final section demonstrates the completed toy airsoft pistol after maintenance and pellet sorting. The repaired mechanism operates more smoothly, and the risk of future jamming is significantly reduced thanks to the manual BB inspection process. The video concludes with a final overview of the organized workspace, sorted pellets, tools, disassembled components, and fully reassembled airsoft pistol ready for testing. This video combines mechanical disassembly, hobby repair, technical inspection, BB pellet quality control, and detailed assembly footage into a complete airsoft maintenance showcase. It is designed for viewers interested in toy weapon mechanics, airsoft accessories, precision tools, repair processes, and hands-on technical work involving spring-powered toy pistols and BB feeding systems.